Looking for a unique, meaningful way to engage your team or group? Growing Augusta's Voluntourism and Team Spirit Farm Day blends hands-on farm work with collaborative challenges that inspire teamwork, reflection, and purpose. Participants step into the daily rhythms of farm life, harvesting crops, feeding animals, building farm structures, and leave with a renewed sense of connection to the land, their team, and themselves. This isn't just another corporate outing. It's a transformational experience that fosters leadership skills, emotional intelligence, and genuine community impact, all while creating unforgettable memories in a natural setting. Click the link on the screen, and we look forward to seeing you.